Alright, you've made it to the final step. In this video, we're going to do the final and most important step of the Kiwi sizing onboarding, enabling the theme extension so your size chart actually shows up on your storefront. Go back to the onboarding checklist and click the Open Theme Editor button. This will open your Shopify theme editor with the Kiwi theme helper loaded in. And here's the important part. Once you're in the theme editor, you simply need to click Save in the top right corner. By hitting Save, you're confirming that the Kiwi Size Chart extension is active for your theme, and that allows the charts to display on your product pages. After you've saved, switch back to the Kiwi app. You should now see that Step 3 is marked as done. In some cases, the third step may still appear incomplete. If it doesn't update right away, you can simply click Mark as Done. And if it still doesn't look completed later on, just click on Open Theme Editor again just to make sure Kiwi is enabled and saved. This ensures the extension is active and your size chart will be visible on all the products that match the conditions you set in Step 2. Congratulations on completing all 3 steps of the onboarding. You've created your size chart, you've applied it to the right products, and you've enabled the Kiwi theme extension. Your size chart should now be live on your store. If you want to customize how it looks, change where it appears on the page, or if something doesn't seem right, you can check our knowledge base for step-by-step guides or reach out to us through the in-app chat. Thanks for watching and happy sizing with Kiwi!